Have you ever heard of a hidden gem nestled in the foothills of the Alborz Mountains? Welcome to Niknam Deh, a charming village located in the Lava region of Iran. Situated just 9 kilometers from the town of Labasan, Niknam Deh is the most populous village in the Shah-es-Samaranat County and the Labasanat district. In Niknam Deh, the local dialect is a unique variation of Persian known as Lavasani. This vibrant village is made up of several neighborhoods, including Savadar, Henza, Konede, Doab, Maryak, and Somovar. As the center of the Lavasana Bozosh district, Niknam Deh is conveniently located near the Latian Dam and boasts stunning views from its position at the base of the Alborz mountain range. The highest peak in the area is Kuadaraz Cheshme, Karandon, standing proudly at 2,400 meters. The fertile gardens here produce a variety of fruits such as walnuts, cherries, and sour cherries, which are sold in the bustling markets of Tehran and Pardiz. The abundant springs and lush pastures of Niknam Deh have also fostered a thriving livestock industry and beekeeping. With its picturesque landscapes and rich natural resources, Niknam Deh is not only a hub for agriculture, but also a popular tourist destination. It offers an ideal escape for visitors looking to unwind and explore the beauty of nature on weekends. So, why not consider adding this enchanting village to your travel list? So, don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts in the comments, tell your friends about this video, and subscribe to our channel for more adventures. Alireza.